We're going to grab this word. Did you hear this part? Taking a breath into meditation and listening to these words. The beauty of the world pales in comparison to the beauty within me. The beauty of the world pales in comparison to the beauty within me. I am so deeply and wondrously blessed to know my oneness with God and with all that is. I ask us to take a moment to breathe in to one of your favorite experiences of nature. Maybe you're sitting by a stream, watching the water roll over the rocks. Maybe you're at the foot of a mountain, smelling the fresh pine air. Maybe you're in your rainstorm with your head up to the sky and the rain just showering down. Maybe you're gazing out over a field with your bare feet in the grass. Maybe your feet are sinking in the sand. Breathe there. Let's bring that feeling into the heart center, allowing ourselves to be fully nourished by it, by the wonder. Maybe it's gazing up at the moon or laying flat on your back and looking at the stars. What reminds you that the world is wondrously made? The roll of the thunder. Now bring the attention to you. The beauty of the world pales in comparison to the beauty within me. Where am I with that statement? How far off am I from having that realization as an experience, an authentic experience, being aligned with it as a truth? If it feels like a challenge to even go near that thought or idea, I invite you to bring to mind someone you love. Or think of a baby, a child. The beauty of the world pales in comparison to the beauty within. There's no need to strong arm that statement. Just let it be there. Can we see that it's truth? Hold in your mind's eye the one you love, the child, the baby. See those little fingernails and those little toes, those eyes that peer out to the world. We can see it there. It's easy to see there. Can we see it here? Even beyond seeing it, can we make the space for possibly believing it? Can we make the space to move through believing it to being open to experiencing it? That we are wondrously made. This is the awakening. This is the work. When we know this beyond an intellectual truth, it transforms how we see everything and everyone. Nothing is the same. Nothing can ever be the same. So let us wake up to this truth moment by moment. In each now experience. Can I breathe deep into my intention of awakening? And allow the stillness to draw my full attention inward. Into the silence. This moment of meditation may very well be the most impactful dedication of your time, my time, our time, for the full week. Grounded, present, open, home. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know they are born blessed and here to be a blessing. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. In gratitude for the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. Namaste.